if you're looking for an e-bike but don't necessarily have the space for it, the Tatamel bike by Icoma could be a good option for you. This bike folds up and gets super compact. That way you could say fit it in your apartment or under your desk. Now you've got all the controls right up top, your throttle, your lights, you even have a horn, of course, your brakes, a mirror. Now this is a prototype. This is not what the eventual one's gonna look like. That one's coming out in Japan in April. There is no date slated for the US yet, but they are gonna price this at around $4,000 US. Hopefully one day this will come to the US, because I know personally in New York City, I would love something like this. Now with this bike, you can also customize the sides. This one has a screen on it. You can also have different materials and colors, so that's pretty cool. And best of all, this thing folds up. Let's see if I can get someone to fold it up for us. Do you mind folding this up for us? Thank you. Check this out. So he's gonna lift this seat up. That wheel's gonna go down. And then this would also fold down like that. So right here, I've got the speedometer. This thing can go up to 25 miles per hour. Again, all the controls here, throttle, lights. This bike is going to become available in Japan in April. There is no date currently slated for the US. They are here at CES looking for investors to bring it here one day. It's going to be priced at around $4,000. You know, I hope this comes out soon in the US, because I have a New York City apartment. I love traveling around my city with a scooter, and this could be a great option. For more videos like this and all of our CES coverage, make sure you keep it here at CNET by subscribing to the channel. I'm Justin, and I'll tech you later.